Hi guys, this is Kenya and welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I'm so excited because I am co-hosting my first collaboration. Yes, yay, I'm so excited. So I am co-hosting this slow cooker challenge with Miss Vee of Miss Vee's channel. Now, I will say guys, I was so thrilled when Miss Vee contacted me asking if I would be interested in co-hosting this collaboration with her. And I thought, absolutely. You guys know how much I enjoy cooking, and I have my Cooking with Kenya series, and so this fits right into that. Now, in this challenge, Miss Vee and I would like for all of our YouTube friends to participate by showing us a meal that you like to cook in your slow cooker or your crock pot or your rice cooker or Insta Pot or pressure cooker or whatever. There's so many options out there available today. So, but we'd like to see your meal, and with that, there's a few I guess rules to this collab, and that is we would like for you to first of all include my channel, Kenya's Decor Corner, and Miss Vee's channel, Miss Vee, in your description as the co-host, and also in your description box there, and mention both of our channels in your video. And then the other thing we'd like for you guys to do is tell us your recipe that you'll be making in your slow cooker, and include that information in your description box as well. And also, let's see, I'm making sure I don't forget anything here. Oh, that's it. And those are all the rules, but our upload date is going to be June 23rd. So you guys have a couple of weeks to get your ideas in mind of what you'd like to cook. I already know exactly what I'll be cooking. My husband has been looking forward to it for a little while now, so I'm sure he's excited to get this meal on the way as well. But at any rate, so our upload date is June 23rd for this collaboration or challenge. There will be a playlist on Miss Vee's channel. So if you guys are just as excited about this as I am, leave your comments down below to let me know if you are planning to participate. And after you finish watching this video, be sure to go over to Miss Vee's channel to check out her video as well. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. I am so looking forward to this collaboration. You guys, you're going to enjoy the meal that I'll be cooking in my slow cooker. And so I look forward to seeing you guys on June 23rd. Thanks guys. I look forward to seeing your comments down below, letting me know if you plan to participate as well. Alrighty, much love and many blessings. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.